Okay guys, I put the covers on the lights. As you can see, it looks really nice, awesome. I'm gonna turn the power on. That's the power indicator. Bluetooth should be kicking in, which just did. Then I'm gonna turn the lights on. As you see, with the covers on, I'm gonna turn off the light. That's what it looks like in the dark. So you can always turn these lights off if you want to. Like I said, I can't play sound because I'm recording. So I'll do that later with another phone. A lot of trial and error last night to get this all to work, but I did it. So signing off.